So the next operator is division operator. So it is the usual division that we do in mathematics. So I will decomment it. So print of a slash b means division of a b. So 10, when we divide 10 by 20, the answer will be 0.5. So you can see here in the output. So whenever you are performing division, your answer should be in the float. Float means decimal. Okay. So the next one is our mod operator. So what is mod operator? Um, Whatever the remainder is generated, that is the output of mod operator. So when we divide 10 by 20, the remainder is 10. Now you can see here the output is 10 when we divide 10 by 20. Now the next one is floor division operator. So now you can see here both these numbers are our integer type. So what does floor division operator do? If both the numbers are integer, then the return or the output is integer. Now you can see here the remainder is 0.5 when we divide it. 1 slash when we do divide, then it is 0.5. If we do here double slash, that is our output will be 0. Now the next one is power operator. So what is power operator do? It is just like the exponential, the power of that number. So 10 to the power 20 will give 10 to the power 20. So what this gives us? Now you can see here 10 to the power 20. This will be the number. Or I can say then execute. So 10 to the power 2 will be 100. So this is all about the arithmetic operators in Python. Thank you.